What's going on, guys? Miguel back. We're at work and I'm gonna be vlogging at work today. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on here. We're gonna be replacing an engine on a Prius because it is cracked. It's got a hole in it. Customer came in saying that they heard a loud knock and then loss of power, pulled it in, had to push it in, and then found the block cracked. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking this thing apart, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Alright guys, so let me show you guys a little update. Look at this. You can see through this thing. That's a hole right there. You can see right through that if you get the right angle. That's the bottom of the shop. But that got the intake manifold off, water pump off, lower radiator hose off. I unplugged the hybrid system because I don't want to get killed. Got the harness off. Then tomorrow, because I'm actually heading out of here, tomorrow we're going to work getting the exhaust off so I can go ahead and pull this. Just got to be careful with this windshield right here. And yeah, that, and it should be almost out. This is the first Prius motor I've done here at work. I've done Corollas, Camrys, RAV4s, all the same thing. Siennas, the V6, all that stuff. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. Alright guys, so we're back. We're back here again. We're going to work on getting these bottom trans bolts out. And then hopefully we can get it out today. Day 74 of trying to get this motor out. But let's see here. We're gonna get these bolts out down here. These right here, you can't see me because it's dark. These, and then a lot of people were saying it's hard to take apart. We'll be the judge of that. All right, let's get to it. Replace the, let me turn this light on. I'm gonna replace this, the oil filter housing. Can't really. Oh yeah, let's go, let's go. With that tow arm seized up?
I got one.
Yeah, alright. So what are we doing here?
You got a pry bar?
Pry bar. Seems free, right?
Yeah.
Take the mount off?
Yeah.
$17, right?
Side here too.
I'll get that right now. Take this off. Then there's another one. Oh fuck, I'm gonna have to pull that off. There's another one back here.
Got some fucking nuts, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a little like cheap fucking one.
Come on, man. And this just sits right here or something?
Yeah.
Pull this. And the 14, right? Just me, or does that feel a little tight? Never mind. Never mind. That's how you do it, guys.
Dude, you just...
The wizard.
Alright, now this has... I don't know if we're going to clear with this thing on there. So... Well, we might. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
That windshield. Tell you about the time I did one of these in a day because the lady was out of town.
Where?
She was from out of town. She did the same thing.
Yeah.
Drive came through.
Is that good over there? Oops. I think you showed me that Prius that threw a rod, right?
Yeah, she needed it. We did it in a day because she was staying at a hotel.
Oh man.
I started at 10, got it done at like 6.
No
And
way.
She was like on the road in California. I was like, that was the
Flying
greatest thing of
through
my
this
life. Throw this up here. She's tweaking me out. How's your manifold?
We're good. Fuck yeah.
Wow, that thing really just said, fuck it, I don't want to be in here anymore.
Literally, I was gonna say, I was like, dude, everybody said this shit was a pain in the ass. Or like to come off.
I'm just like this in here.
Okay. Should I lower, or what good? Should I get a tire or something, you think?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it out here. That was the scariest thing in my life. How's your manifold? That thing really just said, fuck it, I don't want to be in here anymore.
Literally, I was gonna say, I was like, dude, everybody said this shit was a pain in the ass. Or like to come off. There. Should I lower, or what? Should I get a tire or something, you think?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it out here. You might as well just keep looking up. Or at least it's on the ground.
Okay.
Cool. So you're gonna need this. It's these 12s. And then this pulls off, and then you'll be able to pull the flywheel back off. So I just marked with a paint marker where all this was.
All these separate? This and this?
This comes off from this.
This would be the flywheel, right?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah, this would be the flywheel, this would be the torque converter. That's what these springs like dampen. Ooh.
That's not supposed to be like that.
That is not supposed to be like that. That's broken, my guy. You might need one of these if the other motor didn't come with it.
Okay.
That spring is torched.
Look at this thing.
Yeah,
cool.
It's supposed to have these orange pieces, so that'll cause a gnarly rattle.
Cool. I'll go see if the other one has it. What's going on, guys? I am back. It is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Got that motor pulled in a day or 2 days because I keep getting pulled off and stuff. But hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, leave a thumbs up. I will be uploading every Monday, hopefully, or once every week, but we'll see when that is. And then, what is it? The Evo's getting some parts here soon, so keep an eye out for that. I'm going to be driving it. I got the GoPro going. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to throw that on my head while I drive and stuff. And, yeah, let's see what we can do. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Leave a thumbs up. Peace.